Hi guys, I'm hoping you have a happy Easter today. Have you seen my other Easter episode? Well, today I'm doing that, but it's in my front yard now. I got this from an awesome friend of mine. Yellow! Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Now it's time for the next clip. Thanks to my awesome friend Sheena for sending this to me. And by the way, if you live near Noonan, Georgia, you can ask Sheena to get you an Easter basket. Now let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's inside. An action figure, a cup.
What's in the cup?
There's candy, M&M's, Blow Pops, Reese's, Nerds, Jolly Ranchers, Whoppers, Kisses, Jolly Ranchers again.
Wow, does that go on forever?
And there's a lollipop, confetti and stuff. A lollipop, Jolly Ranchers. Whoa. And some bubbles. And some bubble gum. And 2 puzzles. And a poster.
Wow. Who is it?
Captain America and his gang.
Did she know anything about you? Huh? Sweet.
And a mini Jenga tumbling tower game. And some crayons. And some juice.
Always good.
Ooh, and some Pringles.
Oh, wow.
And more confetti. And the Marvel's Jumbo coloring book. All of this from one Easter basket? This is amazing! Hope you liked this video. Remember to like and subscribe. And also have a happy Easter.